Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without making videos. That's right, you don't need to be a camera-ready personality to make a profit on this platform. There are a number of ways to do this, and I'm going to walk you through the most popular and effective methods in detail. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, or if you simply want to expand your revenue streams, then be sure to watch this video until the end. Step 1. Choose a niche and research your audience. The first step is to choose a niche for your YouTube channel. This is the topic that you will focus on in all of your content. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you have some knowledge of. This will make it easier to create informative and engaging content. Once you've chosen a niche, you need to do some research to see what kind of content is already being created in that space. This will help you to identify any gaps in the market that you can fill. You should also research your target audience. What kind of content do they like to watch? What are their interests? What are their pain points? Once you have a good understanding of your audience, you can start to create content that is specifically tailored to their needs. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel and optimize it for your niche. Once you've chosen a niche and researched your audience, it's time to create a YouTube channel. This is a very simple process, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. Once you've created your channel, you need to optimize it for your chosen niche. This means choosing a relevant channel name and description and creating a custom thumbnail. You should also add relevant keywords to your channel description and video tags. You can also use YouTube Analytics to learn more about your audience and what kind of content they're interested in. This information can help you to create better content in the future. Step 3. Monetize your channel without making videos. There are a number of ways to monetize your YouTube channel without making videos. Some of the most popular methods include affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services in your content. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. For example, if you create videos about personal finance, you could promote financial products and services, such as credit cards, investment accounts, and insurance. Sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands to promote their products or services in your content. Sponsorships can be very lucrative, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. For example, if you create videos about gaming, you could partner with gaming companies to promote their new games and hardware. Channel memberships. This allows your viewers to become paid members of your channel. Channel members receive exclusive perks, such as early access to new videos, behind-the-scenes content, and access to a private community. For example, if you create videos about educational content, you could offer channel memberships to students who want access to exclusive resources, such as study guides, practice tests, and live Q&A sessions. Merch sales. This involves selling your own merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs. You can sell your merch through your YouTube channel or through a third-party platform. For example, if you create videos about a popular hobby, such as cooking or gardening, you could sell merchandise related to that hobby. Audio content. You can also create audio content, such as podcasts or audiobooks, and monetize it through YouTube. For example, if you create videos about storytelling, you could create a podcast series where you tell stories to your audience. You could then monetize your podcast through YouTube Premium or through other podcast distribution platforms. Step 4. Promote your channel. Once you've monetized your channel, you need to promote it so that you can start attracting viewers. You can do this by sharing your channel and content on social media. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and get people to subscribe to your channel. Collaborating with other YouTubers. This is a great way to cross-promote your channels and reach a new audience. Running YouTube ads. This is a paid way to promote your videos and reach a specific audience. However, even if you're not making videos, there are still ways to promote your channel. For example, you could write blog posts about your niche, create infographics, or participate in forums and online communities. Making money on YouTube without making videos takes time and effort, but it is definitely possible. The most important thing is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to create high-quality content that is informative and engaging. You can also promote your channel by sharing your content on social media, collaborating with other YouTubers, and running YouTube ads. Here are some additional tips for making money on YouTube without making videos. Create playlists and end screens. Playlists are a great way to keep viewers engaged on your channel. You can create playlists based on different topics, or based on the order in which you want viewers to watch your videos. End screens are also a great way to promote your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Use keywords throughout your channel and videos. This will help your channel and videos show up in search results when people search for relevant keywords. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and run contests and giveaways. This will help you to build a strong relationship with your audience and encourage them to keep coming back for more. Be patient and consistent. It takes time to build a successful YouTube channel. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep creating high-quality content and promoting your channel, and you will eventually start to see results. Here are some specific examples of how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. Create video compilations. This involves compiling clips from other YouTube videos into a new video. You can do this to create highlight reels, educational videos, or even comedy sketches. Create reaction videos. This involves watching other YouTube videos and recording your reactions to them. Reaction videos can be very popular, and they can be a great way to build a community around your channel. Create audio content. As mentioned earlier, you can also create audio content, such as podcasts or audiobooks, and monetize it through YouTube. Create live streams. Live streams are a great way to interact with your audience in real time. You can use live streams to host Q&A sessions, tutorials, or even just to chat with your fans. No matter what method you choose, it's important to remember that making money on YouTube takes time and effort. There is no quick and easy way to get rich. But if you're willing to put in the work, it is definitely possible to make a good living from this platform.